Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to drain the boilers on your Profitec Pro 300. The tools that you're going to need is simply a carafe that can capture about up to 20 ounces of water from the steam boiler and the brew head. Draining your boilers is going to be important for shipping the machine, or if you want to flush that water out and start with some fresh water completely. During the cold season, if you're shipping your machine, draining those boilers is incredibly important. The water that's left in the boiler has the ability to expand, and that could damage the boiler in shipping. So it's always important to follow those draining instructions when shipping a machine. With the machine turned on and fully heated, we're going to go ahead and take the top tray off of our water tank. We're going to go ahead and engage our brew switch. That's going to start to drain water from the brew boiler. Once we've got that brew pump running and that brew switch on, I'm actually going to remove the water tank. As it's pulling water, it will continue to drain and pull as much water out of that boiler, and that'll prohibit more water from entering that brew boiler. So again, we'll start this and then remove that tank, and it'll continue to run. Once you hear the pump making that noise, like it has run out of water, you can go ahead and turn the switch off, and that has taken as much water as we can out of the brew boiler. And now to drain your steam boiler, we're going to go ahead and turn off the machine completely, all the switches, open up that hot water tap, At this point, your machine boilers are fully drained and your machine can be refreshed with water or packed up for shipping purposes. For more information on using your Profitec Pro 300, check out these links here. And for additional tech tips, check out our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.